Houses, rooms, and furniture. This is a house. It has a garage. This is an apartment or flat. It has a balcony. This is a townhouse or housing complex. This is the bedroom. In the bedroom, there are curtains, a bed with beddings and pillows, a bedside table with a lamp. This is the bathroom. There is a window, a bathtub, a shower, a sink, and a toilet. This is the kitchen. There is a fridge, a microwave, an oven, a sink, an island, and some chairs. This is the living room. There is a sofa or a couch with some cushions, a coffee table. There is a carpet or rug. There is a plant and a TV or a television with a TV unit. This is the dining room. In the dining room, there is a table, chairs, and some flowers.